Mix cloves with this before bed, and your testosterone and vitality will skyrocket, even after 50. Cloves are one of the most overlooked natural spices, yet when used the right way, they can become a powerful ally for men who want to restore strength, stamina, and confidence. And tonight, I am going to show you how to combine cloves with a few simple ingredients to make a bedtime drink that nourishes your hormones and supports your performance. I am Dr. Sofia Carter, a urologist with more than a decade of experience helping men improve their health naturally. Over the years, I have seen how small, consistent habits often deliver more lasting results than complicated treatments. In this video, I will explain why cloves are so effective, how they influence testosterone, and the best ways to combine them with other natural ingredients before bed. By the end, you will have a clear routine you can try at home, simple, safe, and surprisingly powerful. Let us begin with why testosterone is so important, especially after the age of 50. Testosterone is often called the vitality hormone because it affects almost every part of a man's life. It is not just about intimacy, it is about how much energy you feel during the day, how quickly you recover after exercise or work, how strong your muscles and bones remain, and even how sharp and motivated your mind feels. After 50, a man's natural testosterone levels gradually decline, often by 1 to 2% each year. On paper, that may not sound like much, but over the span of a decade or two, the drop is significant. As levels decrease, you may begin to notice subtle changes at first: less energy in the afternoons, slower recovery after activity, or a dip in libido. Over time, these changes can become more obvious, leading to weaker erections, reduced stamina, muscle loss, stubborn belly fat, and sometimes even a decline in confidence and mood. But here's the good news. Your body does not stop producing testosterone. The machinery is still there. What it needs is support. With the right lifestyle choices, restful sleep, and targeted nutrition, you can encourage your body to maintain healthy levels well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. This is where natural tools like cloves come in. Cloves may be small, but they are remarkably potent. These aromatic flower buds are packed with beneficial compounds that directly and indirectly support testosterone production. One of their strongest advantages is their ability to improve circulation. Testosterone is delivered through your blood, and without healthy circulation, your hormones cannot reach the tissues that need them most. By keeping blood vessels open and flexible, cloves help hormones and nutrients move efficiently throughout your body. Cloves are also powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Chronic low-level inflammation is one of the hidden reasons testosterone declines faster in men as they age. Inflammation stresses the testicular cells responsible for producing testosterone and weakens the body's overall hormonal balance. Cloves calm this inflammation, creating a healthier environment for hormone production. On top of that, cloves are especially rich in antioxidants. These are natural protectors that defend your testicular tissue against oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is like rust building up in your body. It damages cells and accelerates aging. By shielding your testes from this damage, cloves help preserve your natural ability to keep making testosterone. Another overlooked benefit of cloves is how they improve digestion and absorption. Hormone production depends heavily on nutrients such as zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats. If your digestive system is sluggish or inflamed, your body cannot use these nutrients effectively, and your testosterone suffers as a result. Cloves strengthen digestion, reduce bloating, and help your gut absorb more of what you eat, giving your body the building blocks it needs to create hormones. Cloves also have a warming effect on the body. That warmth is not just a feeling on your tongue, it extends to your blood vessels, encouraging better flow to the pelvic region. For men struggling with weak circulation, this can directly support firmness and vitality. The beauty of cloves is that they are versatile. Alone, Cloves are powerful, but when paired with the right partners, their effects can multiply. The first option to mix with cloves is warm milk. For centuries, cultures around the world have trusted warm milk before bed as one of nature's simplest remedies for restlessness. It contains tryptophan and natural peptides that calm the nervous system, easing the transition into deep, restorative sleep. But for men over 50, milk offers more than just relaxation. It provides protein, healthy fats, and key nutrients like calcium and vitamin D, all of which help maintain healthy hormone balance. Testosterone production depends on the body having enough of these building blocks, and milk quietly delivers them in every glass. When you gently simmer milk with a pinch of ground cloves, you create something greater than the sum of its parts. The milk carries the compounds from the cloves deep into your body, while the cloves enhance circulation and reduce oxidative stress. The result is a drink that not only calms your nerves, but also nourishes your reproductive system. The warmth of the milk itself is important too. Warm liquids are absorbed more efficiently by your digestive system, helping your body take in the nutrients and clove compounds quickly. And because testosterone is primarily produced during deep sleep, preparing your body to rest soundly is just as important as what you consume. A simple cup of clove-infused warm milk about 30 minutes before bed sets the perfect stage for your body to do its most important work, repairing, rebuilding, and producing hormones. Many men who adopt this habit notice that not only does their sleep improve, but their mornings feel stronger. They wake with more energy, a steadier mood, and often firmer morning erections. This is not coincidence. It is your body responding to both the nourishment of the milk and the circulation-boosting power of the cloves. The second option is honey, and while many people think of it as just a natural sweetener, honey is truly one of nature's most complete foods. It contains trace minerals such as zinc and boron, both of which play a direct role in testosterone levels. Zinc is essential for the testes to produce testosterone, while boron helps regulate the way your body uses it, ensuring that the hormone remains active and available. When you stir a spoonful of natural honey into clove tea, you are creating more than just a pleasant flavor. You are fueling your body's ability to produce hormones. Honey also provides quick, natural energy in the form of simple sugars. Unlike refined sugar, which spikes your blood sugar and then leaves you drained, honey delivers a steady release of energy. This can be especially valuable for men who feel fatigued or lack stamina, both in daily life and in intimate moments. Honey also contains antioxidants and enzymes that soothe the digestive tract, reduce inflammation, and support immunity. When paired with cloves, which also improve digestion and circulation, honey amplifies the benefits. It becomes a tonic that calms your nerves, nourishes your glands, and prepares your body for deep rest. Another hidden benefit is psychological. There is something comforting about honey, something that signals warmth and care. Adding it to clove tea before bed creates a ritual that not only supports your body, but also calms your mind. That mental ease is important because stress is one of the biggest testosterone killers. Honey, combined with cloves, works on both the physical and emotional level, creating the conditions for your body to perform at its best. For men who struggle with low energy, poor sleep, or a lack of stamina, this simple pairing is often a turning point. With consistency, it provides both quick fuel and long-term hormonal support. The third option is ginger. Ginger and cloves are truly like close cousins. Both are warming spices that awaken your circulation and boost vitality. Ginger has been valued in traditional medicine for thousands of years, especially in Asian cultures, where it was considered a root of strength and stamina. Modern science now confirms what our ancestors knew. Ginger supports testosterone production in several important ways. One of the main benefits of ginger is its ability to improve blood flow to the testes. Testosterone is made in the Leydig cells within the testes, and they rely on a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients. Without good circulation, these cells cannot function properly. Ginger helps by widening blood vessels, encouraging a strong, healthy flow of nutrient-rich blood directly to the glands that produce testosterone. Ginger is also a powerful antioxidant, helping to reduce oxidative stress, the cellular rust that slowly damages tissues with age. By clearing away this stress, ginger allows the testes to stay healthier and more productive. Studies have shown that men who consume ginger regularly often have higher testosterone levels compared to those who do not. When you combine ginger with cloves in hot water, you create a drink that works on multiple levels. The cloves add antioxidants and improve absorption, while the ginger sharpens circulation and directly stimulates hormone-producing glands. Together, they form a tea that strengthens not only testosterone production, but also the entire reproductive system. Another important benefit is energy. Many men over 50 deal with sluggish digestion and fatigue. Ginger helps revive digestion by warming the stomach and improving nutrient absorption, which in turn provides the body with more fuel to create hormones and maintain stamina. That is why a cup of clove and ginger tea in the evening can feel so restorative. It revives the body from the inside out. The fourth option is turmeric. Turmeric has been called the golden spice, and for good reason. It is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories we know. While many people associate turmeric with joint health or heart health, what many do not realize is that it also protects the very cells that produce testosterone. Inside the testes, there are special cells called Leydig cells. These cells are the factories of testosterone, but like any factory, they can break down if exposed to too much stress or inflammation. Modern lifestyles, poor diet, and even the natural aging process often create an inflammatory environment that weakens Leydig cells. Turmeric helps by calming that inflammation, reducing cellular stress, and allowing these cells to function more effectively. In addition to this, turmeric supports liver health. The liver plays a key role in regulating hormones, and when it is functioning well, testosterone levels remain more balanced. By helping the liver detoxify and stay efficient, turmeric indirectly supports hormone balance throughout the body. When you mix turmeric with cloves in warm milk or hot water, you create a golden, soothing drink that is as beautiful to look at as it is powerful for your health. The milk adds fats and proteins that carry the turmeric and clove compounds into your system, while the warmth helps you absorb them fully. This combination not only supports testosterone, but also promotes overall vitality, helping you sleep better, recover faster, and feel stronger. Many men find that when they make turmeric and cloves part of their evening routine, they notice improvements not just in energy and performance, but also in how their joints and muscles feel. That makes this option especially valuable for men who want to feel younger in both strength and stamina. Here is how to prepare a simple but powerful bedtime tonic using cloves and one of the supporting ingredients we discussed. Begin by heating a cup of water or milk in a small pot. As the liquid warms, drop in 2 or 3 whole cloves, or if you prefer, use a small pinch of ground clove powder. Allow it to simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes. During this time, the cloves release their essential oils and active compounds into the liquid. You will notice a warm, spicy aroma filling the air, a scent that is both soothing and energizing at the same time. Once the base is ready, it is time to choose your partner ingredient. If you want a touch of sweetness along with minerals that directly support testosterone, stir in a spoon of natural honey. The honey blends smoothly, giving the drink a golden color and a comforting taste while fueling hormone production. If you are seeking extra warmth and a boost in circulation, drop in a slice of fresh ginger. The ginger sharpens the flavor with a gentle bite and works alongside the cloves to awaken blood flow to the testes and pelvic region. If your goal is deep repair and long-term balance, add a small pinch of turmeric. The turmeric will turn the drink a beautiful golden shade, creating not just a beverage, but an experience that feels almost medicinal and restorative. Pour the tonic into your favorite cup and then sit down somewhere quiet. Sip it slowly, about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Do not rush this process. Let it feel like a calming ritual that signals to your body and mind that it is time to unwind. As the warmth spreads through your chest and down into your stomach, you may notice your muscles loosening, your breathing deepening, and your thoughts beginning to settle. The cloves and their partner ingredients are already at work, relaxing blood vessels, soothing inflammation, and preparing your system for the kind of restorative sleep where real healing happens. And here is why timing matters. Testosterone is primarily produced during deep sleep, especially in the early hours of the night. By sipping this tonic before bed, you are giving your body the exact conditions it needs to carry out that process. Your blood vessels are relaxed, your nerves are calm, and your digestive system is gently nourished. During those hours of rest, your body now has the tools to repair tissue, strengthen hormone production, and restore the energy you need for the next day. Over time, this nightly ritual becomes more than just a drink. It becomes a signal to your body that it is safe to repair, restore, and rebuild. Now let me paint a picture for you. Imagine 3 weeks from now, you have made this clove tonic part of your nightly routine. You wake up feeling more refreshed, your mornings begin with stronger energy, and you notice your mood and confidence lifting. In intimate moments, you feel steadier, more alive, and more connected. It is not magic. It is your body finally being given the natural support it has been asking for. Gentlemen, testosterone does not vanish after 50. It simply needs care and attention. By giving your body natural tools like cloves, honey, ginger, turmeric, and warm milk, you are helping it function the way it was designed to. This is not about gimmicks or instant fixes. It is about steady habits that build strength over time. If you found this helpful, subscribe to my channel for more natural, science-based advice on men's health. Every week, I share practical ways for men over 50 to restore vitality, improve circulation, and regain the confidence they deserve.